Today we will start question number 8. What is the area of the dial of a rectangular watch that is 25 mm wide and 23 mm high? Okay. So here height and width both is given. Wide and high. It means length and breadth is given. So first of all we have to find out the area. So we will write formula. Area of rectangular watch equals to length into breadth. Okay. Now length is how much? So it is 25 mm multiplied by 23 mm. Now here we have to do multiplication of this. Okay. So you can take like this also. 25 3s it will be how much? So 25 3s are 75. So 5 7 carry. Then 25 2s are 50. 50 plus 7 it will be 57. So 575 square mm. So this will be the total area of the dial of a watch. Okay. So the answer will be what? Hence, area of dial watch is 575 square mm. Now question number 9 is compare the area of a square 15 centimeter on each side and a rectangle 11 centimeter 8 centimeter. Now here two measurement is given. One is of area of square and area of rectangle. Then the next question is which figure has the greater area and by how much? Now this we will solve later on. First we will do this. We have to compare it. So first of all we will find out the area of a square and then area of a rectangle. So here area of square equals to, what is the formula of area of a square? That is side multiplied by side. Equals to, now side is 15 centimeter multiplied by 15 centimeter. Now 15 15s are, if you want to do that, then you can do 15 15s are 225 square centimeter. Okay. This is of area of a square. Now we will go to the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle equals to, what is the formula? That is L into B. Now length is 11 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter. Now 11 8s are 88 square centimeter. Okay. Now we will read the question that which figure has the greater area. So you come on, tell me which figure has the greater area. So just now only we can say the answer that area of a square is having a greater area. So we will write down the area. Here answer we will write down which figure. So area of square has the greater area. Now the next question is by how much? So you need to find out that by how much. So what we should do? We should do subtraction. So here we will do subtraction. So 225 square centimeter. What is this? So it is area of square minus 88 square centimeter. What is this? So this is area of rectangle. Okay. Now we have to do subtraction of this. So square centimeter will remain same. Now 5 minus 8 is not possible. So here it will come 15. Here 2 minus 8 is also not possible. We will borrow from here. So we will keep here 11. And here 1. So 15 minus 8 will be 7. Then 11 minus 8 will be 3. And 1 will remain same. So answer is 137 square centimeter. So what will be your final answer? Hence 137 square centimeter area of square is greater than area of rectangle. Now we will go to the question number 10. A rectangle field measure 400 meter by 100 meter and a square field 200 meter by 200 meter. So here again we have to compare it. So first of all what we should do? We should start with the help of area of, first of all we have to find out area of rectangle. We have to find area of rectangle is what? So for formula first we will write down. What is the formula? That is L into B. So length is 400 meter multiplied by 100 meter. Now 4 ones are 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. Okay, so 40,000 square meter. Now we will go to the area of square. Area of square equals to side multiplied by side. So side is 200 meter multiplied by 200 meter. So 2 2s are 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 40,000 square meter. So here both the answer is same. Now we will read the next question. So the question is, do the two fields have the same area? So what will be the answer? Yes, both the fields have the same area, that is 40,000 square meter. We can see area of a rectangle as well as area of square. Both are having the same answer. The next question is, which field requires more fencing and by how much? Now what is the question here? Which field requires more fencing? Fencing means, you know now, when we put it on the boundaries. Okay, so fencing are always kept on the boundaries, not on a land. Okay, so here it means we need to do something, we need to find out something. What we should find out for the boundaries? So we have to find out the perimeter. First we will have to find out the perimeter of rectangle, then perimeter of square, and then we have to find out by how much. Okay, which field required more fencing. So first we will take perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle equals to, what is the formula? So formula is 2 into L plus B. Now 2 will remain same, multiply will remain same. Now length is what? So up we have, as we have seen, the length is 400 meter and the breadth is of 100 meter. So here we will write down 400 plus 100. Now here 2 multiply remain same, 400 plus 100 will be 500. Now 2 5s are 10. So here 2 zeros. So 1000 meter. Okay, simple meter will come, 1000 meter. Now we will go to the perimeter of square. So perimeter of square equals to, what is the formula? That is 4 multiplied by side. Now 4 will remain same, multiply will remain same, and side is how much? So 200 meter. So 200 meter. Now 4 2s are 8 and zeros will remain same and meter. 800 meter. Now can you see which field requires more fencing? Perimeter of rectangle or perimeter of square? Now perimeter of rectangle is 1000 and this is perimeter of square is 800. So which required more? So definitely perimeter of rectangles required more. But by how much? So what we should do here now? We should do subtraction. Okay. So therefore we have to write here that 1000 meter. What is this? So this is perimeter of rectangle. And this is minus 800 meter. This is perimeter of square. So the answer is meter will remain same. Now 1000 minus 800 will give me 200 meter. Okay. So what will be my final answer? Answer is perimeter of rectangular field required more fencing by 200 meter. Thank you.